March 2020 na it happen, wey be Monday na it happen. So in the city wey they call Lecco, for people wey know, dey under Lombardia, it's under Milan. I know say inside Italy, the most population wey they get na inside Milan, which Lombardia na it dey, because of it in that side they see work they more easy. And many things they enter there. People wey they know as it be. This thing why they tell you now, Kasala don burst. Police full everywhere for that place as I dey tell you so. This thing they happen around after 5 now, they turn 5:45, 5:45 for 6 now they tell you so. Go to my Facebook page, you go still see am. I still na mistake where I make be say the time why they talk to the police and no video am. I supposed to make small video when I dey ask them see what they happen. They don't block the train station now, block everywhere. Wetin dey happen? They say make everybody stay house. Say make nobody go come out. Make everybody stay house. I beg now, they beg my people, my fans, all our brother. Please, may we share this video now. They not allow anybody to pass. Try me share this video because maybe some people don't buy bilet. They say they want to say that they come Lecco. Okay, if they can't reach now, they no go gree make them pass. They no dey gree make them pass. As me reach for that place, no be say they tell me this one they see today. They tell una so. I reach for that place now. Everywhere they don't block am. Wetin dey happen there? I go this side. If you see, you go see. Say na one side now I snap that picture so. I still snap and still snap all those police, but maybe no show well. Nah, if una see am now, all those police now I snap so that make una still see am. They come they ask me say where I dey go. I can't tell them say I dey go back. They come tell me say okay, me I pass, but me I know say from tomorrow make I no come again. Make I no do it. Me I no come pass again. Me I stay for house. Wetin they allow say make you come. They say to the waka for the city now, they don't need them again. You know, if you see say you just come sit down, they don't need them again. Make you just the waka say they go get, they don't need them again. Me stay for house. I beg me will sit down for our house. I beg me will try me will share this information, share this video so that others they go still see them, they go still know what did they happen. So that some people who want to go, they go still know, because some people they travel because you know say school still there. Some people will want still go so that they go know. I beg now, they beg you now. See me wanna try me share the video so that others will still hear them. They don't block and now they say what did they allow now? Say they go fear allow me pass. Say if you now walk or you dey sick, say you want to go hospital. Now because of that now you go make they go allow you make you pass. Wetin they talk now be say I beg, make we try, me will sit down. If you pass, even today where they tell you, if you pass that gate, because the gate where they take blocker, they block all the train station, can't use something for that outside, they can't use something blocker. All the police they even they control documents. If you just come out, they will collect your document, they will even control them. If you reach for that place now, if you pass, once your leg don't cross that gate where they put so, if they come back, if you no carry bilet, be you who you no go fit enter, they no go fit allow you to enter. If you dey this side, many people no gree cross am because they know say if they don't cross am, they don't finish with that. I beg now, they beg, me will try, me will know wetin. Make we no just put ourselves for that person. I beg. As I hear this video, as I hear the news today, I make I say me I quickly rush share the video so that make una know. I promise this channel will bring on any latest news as it till they go, and so we bring am. There's some news where I dey share, where be say I bring late for my last video where I do, but I beg una say make una no vex because now because of what I did they do the video now I feel again small thing we fair do, but I try rush. But congratulations, I still solve the issue. And I no vex. Now be the thing. I beg me will try, me will do am. They say make everybody dey for a city, make everybody stay for house. And for me now, as I want to talk another news, now go still hear the way they still they talk. Even as I dey read am today, we be say Joseph Conte, we be say na Italian minister. The way he take talk am, the matter strong for this coronavirus. I beg, no respect. And May we try, may we respect ourselves. May we try, may we do it, may we respect ourselves, I beg. Now for there, now we stop for that one. May we go straight to another news. Okay. They don't come out. Giuseppe Conte, will be Italian Prime Minister, don't come out. He say nobody go fit travel out from the Lombardia, from the region will be Lombardia. And I know say Lombardia, now for there beautiful thing there for Italy. Now for there you go see many beautiful things. Now inside the Lombardia there. Now for there now the coronavirus there. Well. Now for there all the population there. They say nobody go fit travel, nobody go fit come in for this city. So everywhere now they block her. They say if they go now, no go fit. Let's see if they go for the motive of lavoro. If they go because of work, I beg. If you know say you want travel, me will try, me will share this video for people who want to come so that make them no go waste their billet. I beg. And if you say you don't buy billet to say you want to go, I beg if you reach the no agree. No they agree, make them come out again. They say me nobody go fit travel out or lost if you carry evidence where you go fit show them concern say na work they go. They don't ban that now say nobody go fit come out to go outside. Now so the law take come. Let me say na me talk na state talk and Saturday they bring and they come. Okay, now for there we just dey do as more and we dey cut to the video because if we talk too much of talk no good. May we just go straight another news. May I still tell you now. They don't come out again. Wetin they talk for this news so? They say make you stay for house. Make you no go out. If you want to go out, say you want to go buy something for supermarket. For that they change through the commercial where they say something. If you want to go, say make you do wetin. Make inside una family, make una know they carry una family, they go for that place again. People will be safe, they go, they will carry motor, they will carry their children, carry everybody, they go inside supermarket, say they want to go do space. They say that kind of thing is not allowed. They say they know they allow one, make you do am. See, make you try, make you do it. One person for inside family, and one person I go buy the thing come. Because of this virus. If now watch now they lock everywhere, all the bar, everywhere now they don't lock up. Football, everything where they give them money. Now companies, even pharmacy self. Now don't say who never watch and go for my check all my videos. You go to see how they take the contact. Even doctor, even hospital, they very risky. See the way they take the contact for inside hospital. This sickness, so the way they see it is dangerous. Well, how would they survive? I beg, me will try do it as they talk and me will still follow. I beg, now they beg now. Now for the other one, and no go straight on the news again. Okay, wait till be this one now. You give one video where I share for people where they follow me for Instagram. My Instagram page is African Freedom TV. Go that place, you go see that video. As they ask, that one come they talk say, may you see resist. If be like say, you say why Africa never contact coronavirus? You could see that one are jealous. I been waiting go call her. Say why we never contact the virus? Say why black never contact and only white. Wait till we go call that kind of thing. This one I make an advice. Make we try. See as they don't talk and where we never contact her. You know say God, He gave the anything we come those kind of strong sickness. God know that allow us to contact her. He know that allow us to contact her. And God no go still allow us no contact all this kind of sickness. He no go fit enter our body at all. I beg now. Make we try. Now don't see this one now for news. No be say the person just talking for back now for news. Go that place, may you go see and sit talking. For that my African Freedom TV for Instagram. You go see and you go watch the video for that place. Make you see and they talk say why Africa never contact her. Even if you contact and they happy. Make everybody mind itself. Anything way they do, you go mind. No they shake hand. You know how you go take the shake hand, wash your hand, everything. No they touch your eyes, your nose, your mouth. No, you know they do them. You don't know the law. If you still go for that man, say you do like this, they say no the two before you go do and wash your hand. Before you go touch or those your body. Now for them, now they bring that one to the end. May we go straight another news now. It don't come again. Wait be that now. They suspend many things now. This one, this suspension, this suspension now. It pass suspend where they don't suspend for life. Wait they suspend. Make una know say they really serious for this issue. Say this issue serious. They suspend Komune. Komune, where did they do document? I don't know whether I will call them from Africa. You know, say this place, I will call them community. I've been a local government, I will call them. They suspend her now. They close them. They close Questura. Where did they do document? If you be immigrant, they come. They suspend everything. Why? Because of this virus. Even if you be immigrant, they for inside camp. If they fail give you commission, they suspend her. If you want to renew your document now, they suspend her. Many things now they suspend them, but not before the region for Italy, now for the place where he touch, especially Lombardia, now I be the people, the place where he touch where they suspend them for the commission. If they first give you if they give you commission date and you never go because of this now or renewal of your document, you never go. This thing happens, so as it still hold, no the panic, no just the worry. See, maybe they go still know how they do that. Immediately they come, you know, so you put they know how they do them. They will still call you and they will still make everything. Or you be visitor, say you from a come for work or school or another way where they come for the country. Maybe come because for 7 days, something like that. Maybe this kind of thing can happen. You see there for the country and before then it will expire. Your document will expire. No worry, then they know what they will do. They know if you send you back because they know say therefore don't process your document now because of this issue now. Which me myself, I go Komune today. As I go Komune, they tell me, he even give me appointment 2 weeks. As me and they talk, he say me I look for next week again. But as it be now, make una know say this issue now everywhere now. Everywhere don't read. I beg, now they beg. Make una know what we go do now. For the people with these things, see they suspend her because of your renewal of documents. Don't worry, they go know what they go talk. And if the police still stop you, they know what you do anything because they know. You will tell them, say, see, as far as you have that document where you go tell you, you will show them, then they know if you do anything. Make you know verse. All those news now make a semi bring her. Today now I go still there online. For Facebook, me I still share her. So that make other people where be say they know they follow me for YouTube. Said maybe they still hear them. As we still be. I beg me will still try. They could never verse because of this virus, but they still they protect us now for our own help and their own help also. Because if you get a good health, say our body good, now it better pass say with the sick day for hospital. And the one we will sick for 1 month, we still use 3 days or 5 days or 1 week stay for us now it better pass. I beg. This channel, so I don't tell nothing. Now family channel, no bully me. Now for us to make where would they share something, where would they help us? Now we make Omeka. Beg. Thank you very much. And for there would they bring that one for the end. May we bring another one, may we go straight another one, another news will still carry come. Okay. Concerning that the sharing of documents we will talk now, and I don't see say that woman will be Luciana Lamogese. Would they happy where we say the way the woman they carry immigrant matter for head. Would they happy well say the woman they want to share the document, but now don't see say no go feed the urgent again the way they fair put her say fair the urgent. But because of this thing now, all the news every blessed day now. If I enter na coronavirus, now I be waiting I just they see coronavirus. If I tell how many people where they say they don't contact her, 6,000 people they say now I don't contact this virus. So, but as me they read the news, sometimes I will shake head. How this one go be? Now the end of the world, now be this one I've been waiting again. Okay, but wait till they talk, we say, make una no worry say about the document, say they want to share. People know they change their mind, they will still share the document. But may subscribe so that any day where they just talk anything concerning the document, say they want to share it tomorrow. If I still read and say in the afternoon, as I still close work today, I still come immediately. As I hear this one, so I still come, still use this opportunity to share the news where the first and so immediately I will still bring her come. Now I make you need to subscribe for my YouTube channel, African Freedom TV. May try me subscribe so that any news at all you could get and the latest news concerning anything at all, or how to renew your document, or you get anything again, or your document or your passport you get issue, or anything again. Try, I beg. I may still know. For here, if you find it so difficult to renew a document or you get any difficult, you go still call us. We go still there to help you, because waiting they call us is not only me. We still many, even you still there among, because now for we go still call people we know more than we know pass us. Some lawyers and some other people we still know pass us. We still call them. We still put it together and still solve the issue. Now for here, I they bring on to now for here we they end our own. The story where I carry come today will be the news we will carry come. Now for here we they bring am to the end. Please try, no respect, and try me share the video so that others, because maybe this thing now you don't know, or this thing now maybe you don't pass and say you don't know all of them. Maybe some people never know, and they are friends for Facebook or your friends for you. If you share and now, because of that they go hear them, they will still know. Some people maybe they want to travel. Because of this news, if they hear and I will still help them, they will still know what they go on. I beg no try me do. I beg you hear? For people will be say they still call me concerning about a document issue or any other thing again. Making a never vex, I still the process, I still they make some call, but now no say as they suspend lawyers now, because they suspend lawyers, they say make no lawyer now go they go with immigrant for court, because they are against the law. They suspend, say make lawyer no they go stand for anybody, because who you go stand, you don't know whether he carry on. They suspend everything anywhere we be say something with the public where people they gather and they stop all those things. May they find the solution of this coronavirus. I did my concern making an over. See here, okay. Now for here now for here I did bring her to the end. Thank you very much as you watch. May God bless you and see you in the evening. Bye.